150 yards, turn left
Yeah,
onto Kingston Road.
don't tournament me. I can't move, can I? Because there's people blocking the roundabouts. Grr. What kind of muppet drives like that? I wonder. Let's have a little look. She's playing with her phone. She's literally got her phone stuck under her face. Have a look. There you go. Absolute mental case. Lol. Ooh, speeding! Oh, what have you cut the corner for? Jesus Christ! You can't drive your car, can you? No, you can. You spotty little fuck. Woo! Hold tight, hold tight. Ooh! Me, Jesus. Don't get it wrong, don't get it wrong, don't get it wrong, don't get it wrong. You've got it wrong, haven't you? Jesus, man. That is what happens when you don't look what you're doing. You great muppet. That was literally inches away from completely destroying the side of your car. Can you not drive in your own lane? Her with the phone in her hand. she wasn't texting or nothing. Definitely not. No one was stupid enough to text while they're driving, especially with the massive fine you get. She was not texting, I promise you. Silly bitch.
Those who work in the House of Commons are treated properly and fairly, as would be expected in any modern workplace. But are you a woman?
What a knobhead. What's a knobhead? What a knobhead. It's like the road's big enough for at least 3 cars to fit on. Why do you have to hog the f***ing white line? And you've come up the wrong way. What is wrong with people in the last 5 minutes? How can you get it wrong? How can you get it wrong? Bunch of idiots. Listen to me rambling on. Fucking dickhead. You're a dickhead just for driving a Mercedes. Right, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you going to move or not? Thank you. I would like to know what the hell you're doing. Look at his number plate compared to what is on the tractor unit. Completely different, isn't it? Sneaky. They get away with so many, like, speeding fines. Both of you got it wrong. That's for bicycles, and you've gone past the white line, you knobhead. Dirty bitch! That's a bus stop, and you're not even parked properly, you bellend! Speed up, because I'm not slowing down. I refuse to slow down. You either speed up or you get rammed in the ass. I'm going to bully you for a bit now. I'm going to bully you. How do you feel about that? It's not very nice, is it, being bullied and when people are nasty to you on the road. So why did you do it to me? Why did you do it to me? That's just inconsiderate what you did. I got really upset and now I've got to start my day in a bad mood. Bitch. I got no words because I'm trying to be family friendly, but you're absolute. Oh, you are one of those. You are absolute. Yeah, one of them. That's what you are. You know you're one of them as well. I give up. I give up today. Literally, I give up. If someone's going to cross my path, they're going to get hit today. Oh, bless them. Another 2 drivers that can't read. That's the bus. How much to the return to town, mate? How much? How much to go to town? Oh, that's a lump of dog poo, you nutter. Ugh. I thought you'd go for it as well. Now you're going to have to get over because I'm not moving. Yeah. That's what I thought as well. You absolute animal. Oh, even the buses in Clevedon. It's not just Bristol. Clevedon bus drivers are knobheads. Literally, you can't even see the number plate, can you?
And the M5 northbound very busy, queuing from 26 at Wellington.
I'll give you a space. You gonna go? You gonna go? You gonna go? You gonna go? Jesus Christ!
Eastbound Buckhampton between.
No wonder why you're stuck there for so long.
A382 Widden down.
With your local Bristol Street Motors. Excludes online purchases.
Hi, you've reached Tom's voicemail. I can't come to the phone because season 8 of Fox's The Walking Dead is.
Oh, I love it. They speed up. They slow down for the speed camera, and then they f off again. Oh, I love people like that. They're absolute legends. Oh, he's got his number plate red hot. But he's trying to make red hot anyway. We're going to catch up with him or her and see if him or her is red hot. I bet it looks like a homeless Trump. Oh no, it's an old man with silver hair. You're not red hot, mate. You're just not. Ugh, weirdo. I don't know about you, but on this Suzuki Vitara, can you read that number plate? Because I can't. There is a tow bar in the way. That's not allowed, is it? Surely not.
And she's 32 now. When she was 12 years old, she would go through the temper tantrums that 2 and 3-year-olds go through. And I can empathise with that poor lady, but even worse is to see a man dragging a girl down the street.
This is from John in Coventry, who says, my nephew's severely autistic. My sister used to take him out with a lead on reins until he outgrew it. If she didn't do that, there's a good chance he would have stepped out into the road.
This is why new drivers should have training on motorways, because she has done that entire thing in the outside lane going 40 miles an hour. Yeah, I know. Exactly. They need to be taught how to use motorways. I thought you would as well. Thank you very much for leaving me absolutely no room. You're not getting a thank you from me. Certainly not. What a mess that was.
There's an amazing description of a dinner they have.
Are you being serious? Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
The waiters to
fucking knobhead. Oh, look at that. I'm going to slow down a bit. What is it? I've never seen one of those.
Turn left onto Max Lane.
That looked pretty.
He made sexual advances towards a 14-year-old.
Did you see that?
1986.
That was old. I'm going to have to turn around and show you this. Have a look at that. Basically, what they've done, they've burnt out the car.
200 yards.
Shut up.
On Durley Hill.
The car is completely destroyed, but they filled it out with cardboard and rubbish. It's now become a skip or a bin, if you will. Oh, that's good. I like that.
Continue on Stockwood Hill for 1 mile.
This is ridiculous. Oh, wrong gear. Lost all my fucking power. Why this is a two-way road, I have no idea. Why didn't you just make it a one-way road? This is stupid. You can't get 2 vehicles going in the same way. It's just stupid. It's stupid. Stupid two-way road. Because I'm in a nice mood. See, there's proof, 100% proof that I am a nice person. I'm not always angry and stressed and wound up and angering the people. Yeah, I do nice things now and again. Not very often, but I do them sometimes.